kind of cold, you know, in Toronto, Ontario. Yeah, so just warming up the vehicle. I haven't started her in like, I want to say like 3 weeks. 3 weeks, but everything seems to be running in tip-top shape. So probably gonna do an oil change on her first for sure, and her, but just patiently waiting for this summer, honestly. Not a lot of things to say right now, just because it's just literally no car content right now because of the weather. But you know, this summer for sure there's gonna be a lot of rollers, a lot of flybys, lots of garage shenanigans, you know, fixing this, fixing that, grabbing this, grabbing that. But other than that, you know, hopefully everybody is safe and having a great weekend. Just make sure you guys tune in. Mask Up TV. Follow, like, and subscribe.